up, guys? Chris with Life After 50, iced coffee at home. Ooh, I know, not a big deal, but it's cheaper, it's healthier, and you don't have to wait in line. I love Starbucks sometimes, but the line, the price, and possibly the calories, no bueno. So, let's make it at home if we can sometimes, all right? Here's how I do it. Hope you enjoy Life After 50. All right, guys, homemade iced coffee. I know it's not a big deal, but it's cheaper than Starbucks and it's healthier. And why not do it at home? And that's a win-win. So this is the way I do it. The main thing is we're not trying to put a bunch of sugar and whipped cream and chemicals, sugar-free chemicals and stuff. And if we do, we're trying to minimize it. So we want it to be good and tasty, but we also want it to be if not healthy, at least not damaging, all right? So I'm going to use cinnamon, just a touch of stevia, and just a touch of half and half. I know, half and half. Ooh, you can use almond milk. I've tried it. You have to use 10 times as much almond milk to get the kind of goodness you get from just like a half a teaspoon of half and half. So do what you want. Everybody's got their own thing. But these are the three main ingredients I'm going to do that are plus ice that are going to make some killer homemade iced coffee. Let's get started. Okay, and by the way, this is just leftover coffee I made this morning. I have 1 or 2 small cups, and then I add a little more water, let it filter through, get that last bit of goodness from my coffee grains, which is sometimes Starbucks coffee, by the way. When it's on sale, I grab it when it's not $20,000. But anyway, so this is just nice, pure coffee. So it's been chilling in the fridge. So my first ingredient, like I say, and this is all eyeball stuff, little half and half. You can do almond milk, you can do whatever you want. So look at how little. That's it. But I'm telling you, I've done it with almond milk. I really have tried. It just takes 20 times as much to even get close to that. It's still just not the same. So, all right, cinnamon. This is a do or a don't, but for me, it just adds a little bit of extra flavor. It's natural. It's actually good for you, and why not? So 1 splash. There we go. And then a little stevia and sugar and things like that. Think of them like drugs. Let's try to lower our tolerance, not increase it, okay? So the goal is to just do the minimum that you can enjoy it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, maybe. If that's not enough, do 4 or 5. All right, now I'm going to put some ice in this baby and shake it up, and we're done. Final ingredient. I wouldn't say the most important, but without this, it's nothing. If you don't do this part and you say, you know what, that didn't turn out very good, then you didn't do it right, because this is where we get the froth. Here's the important part, all right? All right, let's take a look at that. See? That's what you want right there, babies. Now, if it's too strong, you can add a little water, whatever. And the final ingredient, listen to that. That's goodness right there. Ah, delish. And guess what? It tastes like coffee. It doesn't taste like sugar. Try this out. Do your own spin. Costs about 7 cents maybe, opposed to $4 or $5. The calories are quite low. That is at-home coffee. As good or better than Starbucks and 1,000.2 times cheaper. So anyway, that's it. I know, no big whoop, but maybe you'll try it at home. Maybe you'll do your own thing. Maybe you'll save some money. Maybe you'll save some calories. And maybe you'll get a little bit healthier. Life After 50, like and subscribe.
50.